Click Hamburger menu. Click Menus page. Open Blood Component Inventory module. In the Blood Component Inventory module, the custom visualization includes stock, reserve, blood group-wise stock count, and blood component-wise stock count available. Once the blood component processing is completed, all the bags are transferred to the Blood Component Inventory module under Blood Stock. After the blood crossmatch is done, the inventory status of issued blood bags changes to issued, and the status of reserved blood bags changes to reserved automatically.